Tiny Treasures. The Teletubbies toys are going to clean up the train tracks today. It was windy last night, and there are leaves and acorns all over the train tracks. Choo-choo! Hop on! Tinky Winky's going to drive the train. And we need this little yellow bucket to clean up the leaves. And Lala gets to sit in the caboose. Choo-choo! Stop! I see something on the train tracks. I see 2 acorns. And how many leaves are there to clean up? There are 4. Keep going. Choo-choo. Stop. Tinky Winky sees 2 acorns, and there's a little squirrel holding an acorn. It must be collecting them for the winter. The squirrel runs away. It's not safe to be on the train tracks, little squirrel. We don't want to run you over with a train. These acorns are bigger than the first ones we found. Ding, 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 ding. The train is coming, so the car must stop. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, there are more acorns and leaves to clean up. There are 3 more acorns. And how many more leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. The bucket is full and the train tracks are clear. The Teletubbies are all finished. Ding, 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 ding. The train has passed and the arm has lifted. The car can now cross the train tracks. The car was pulling a blue boat. And look who's at the dock. It's Dipsy. Dipsy is going fishing. Up, up, up the big hill. And it's Po. Po climbed up the hill for a little walk. She's going to ride in the red helicopter today, but she noticed where the squirrels are hiding all of the acorns. She sees a yellow squirrel. Where did it drop down to? Down, down, down. And there are all of the acorns. Po goes into the helicopter. Fly, fly away. The boat is out of the water. Let's put it back on the trailer. How many fish did you catch, Dipsy? Whoa, look at the big hill. Good thing the car has a big engine to pull the boat up the hill. Into the tunnel. And woo! Oh no! The boat fell off the trailer. Uh-oh. Oh, leave the poor little squirrel alone. Po keeps knocking the little squirrel over. And thank you so much for playing with us today. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.